Hey cupcakes! Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you guys 3 fall outfits to wear on Berry Avenue. This took me very long to create these fits, so I hope you guys like it. I don't want to talk too much, so let's just get right into this video. Okay, so first tap on avatar, and then in body you're gonna press the search button and then type revamped woman. Choose the second one and only the torso of it. Then you're gonna type headless onto the search bar and click on the first one. Just click on the invisible part, just like this one. Now for the legs, I'm gonna use Cindy, or you can also use Kenneth. Alright, now on to the fits. Tap on the shirt icon and then search warm winter Lana. And then press on that one. Then go to this pants icon and then type white shorts ʴᴏᴜᴟᴜ. Click on the second one. And then go over to dresses and skirts. Search white miniskirt. There you have it. It's called the trendy miniskirt in white. Then go over to pants and search fluffy winter boots. And then click on that one, as you can see. Then go on menu and then type messy fluffy bubble braids. There you have it. So you can choose which one you want, but I'm just gonna go for the brown one. Then go to menu on clothing and then on face search covering brown bang. After that, type Athena and click on the first one. Then search cute pouty doll. Choose your skin tone. As you can see, there are many options. Wispy lashes. And then click on the first one. That's all for the face. Search Regal Rose Pearl for our earrings. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. Next, go to neck and search white scarf. Click on the second one. And there you have it. That is our first outfit. On to the second one. So on the shirt icon, press the search button and type down coquette Ralph Lauren sweater. And then choose this one. Now go over to pants and type low-rise jeans. On face, type pouty doll. And then covering bangs. And for the second bang, type Athena. And then you're gonna type down wispy lashes. Now on head, type gold hoops. After that, go on neck and then search brown scarf. Click on this one. Now go to front and type classic chic. Here you have so many cute options, but I'm just gonna go for this one because it matches the sweater. Then go on menu And then on the hair icon, Heya K-pop side. Click on the brown one. Then head over to pants and then type brown fluffy boots with white bow. Click on the first one, and here is the second fit. Now onto the third fit, go on shirts and then type white lace long sleeve. Then go on the pants icon and type gray leggings. Click on the second one. Then press on the pants and search cozy winter slippers. Click on the second one. Then go to body and on the hair icon type brown cutesy messy. After that, click on menu, on clothing, and on face. Search pouty doll. Click on the one that matches your skin tone, and then type Athena. Then type covering bangs. Search wispy lashes. Head over to head and type gold hoops. Oops, that's not how you write hoops. There you go. And for the last part, go to front and you should be able to see the puffer vest, but just in case, this is how it's called, and that's the third fit. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this just as much as I did, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, cupcakes!